Good morning, children. Good morning. How are you today? We are fine, and you? I'm fine, thank you. Do you know what we're going to do today? No, we don't. Today we're going to learn the sounds of wild animals. Oh, it's so fun! Let's begin. Yes, but first I would be asking you, and you will tell me what kind of sound do they make, and then we will listen it on our TV. Okay, so Emily, let's start with you. What sound does a bear make? Ooh, very nice. Let's look. Very nice. Now let's continue. Danny, let's see what sound does a wolf make. It's easy. Woo! Very nice. You're the same as wolf. Let's see. Good. The next, Peppa, can you make a sound of a tiger? Okay. Good. Let's see. Good. Now let's continue. Susie, the sound of a lion. Can you make it? I'll try. Good. Not very menacingly, but very nice. Let's hear. Good. Zoe, can you produce the sound of an elephant? Okay, I think it is poo. Good. Let's see. Good. Now let's make the sound of a zebra. Candy, can you help us? Okay. Good. Let's see. Good. Now, Emily, it's your turn again, and we have monkey. Okay, I'll try. Good. Very nice. Now let's see. The next, Danny, we need a sound of a camel. Unfortunately, I think I have never heard a sound of a camel. Can you switch the TV and show us, because I don't kind of remember. Okay, let's hear. Good. I hope you remember it. Now, Peppa, the sound of a dolphin. Oh, I think I have another kind of apparatus, but I'll try. Yes, it really sounds very funny, but let's hear the original. And now, Susie, the last is for you. Let's produce the sound of a parrot. But it sounds like a rooster, doesn't it? Yes, it does, but let's hear the original. Good. I hope you remembered all the sounds of the wild animals. Yes, we did. Thank you very much. It was very entertaining. You're welcome, children. Goodbye. Goodbye. Goodbye.
Subscribe. Subscribe.